And welcome back to Backspace Academy. This lab session is for developers, so if you're a solutions architect or looking to be a SysOps administrator, you can skip over this one. DynamoDB is one of my favourite services when I'm choosing a backend for an application. The reason being is that being an abstracted service, it does remove you a lot from the maintenance and management of a database. And also it scales very well, and it also allows you to scale it programmatically as well. If you have a look at the project dynamic DynamoDB, you can see how you can actually programmatically scale DynamoDB, which is really, really good. So in this lab session, we're going to start off by creating a DynamoDB table because we can't really do anything without that. And then we'll look at importing data into DynamoDB as items. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use the NodeJS software development kit to write an application that will read data in a JSON file and then import that data into a DynamoDB table. This is a pretty useful thing to use because a lot of times you have a customer that might have their files in CSV files or whatever, and you just want to quickly bring that into DynamoDB, and it's a really good way of doing it. I find that a lot of times it can be a very quick thing to do just to get data in very quickly for a client. Once we've got that data in, we're going to look at the ways that we can query that data in that DynamoDB table. So, programming DynamoDB with Node.js, let's get into it.